with his father. "1,500 miles of rugged cycling around Britain. That's the milk race. In a strong Czechoslovakian team, Daniel Grach, number 51. The Polish squad and the man who won the first stage, number 63. Russia's top riders out to take top honours, and the Canadian cyclists, the dark horses of the event. The Great Britain team with the strongly fancied Metcalfe and Bettinson. Peter Matthews of Liverpool gets a brisk rub before the race. From Blackpool Promenade, 88 riders move off on the first 84 miles. Destination, New Brighton. No major breakaways for the first 20 miles. The field keeps in touch behind the leaders. Now Hugh Porter of Wolverhampton, number 25, has a go. But the field, passing through Preston, were still together. The main body on its way to Newborough and the halfway mark. Then approaching New Brighton, a leading pack of 22 riders dash for the finish. It's wheel to wheel, but victory goes to Poland. And Boguslav Fornalczyk, first stage and yellow jersey winner, celebrates his win in milk.